Your girl is back with a new video on this hair right here. It's super cute. It's giving me a nice bohemian wave vibe.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the one. So what is gonna be, baby? Squad up.
This wig is from AliglossyHair. This is the first time I'm trying a wig from this hair brand, and I am pleasantly surprised by how gorgeous this wig is. Get into this. I'm gonna have all the hair details in the description box down below as well as throughout the video. So if you would like to see how I installed this gorgeous wig today, as well as styled the hair and made these waves nice and poppin' and juicy like they are today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. La, 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 la. It all, la, 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 la. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week, but now you moved on. And I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, feel it, I feel it, I feel it. This gon' be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. He smiles wide, 'cause he's the center of attention now, and he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, 'cause she's the center of attention now, and she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it. What everybody seem to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet.
So I just went live on TikTok. I did this makeup look right here. If you're not following me, you're missing out, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Garnier Moroccan Sleek Oil. Use any sort of oil. The hair is fully dry now, so you just wanna make sure your hands are moisturized. And I'm going to break up these curls. I just looked at my camera and it looked like I wasn't in focus in those last few clips. I really hope that's not the case, but if that is the case, all I did was break up the curls with this wide tooth comb, y'all. Okay, from the back all the way down to the ends here. I did that on both sides. So pretty. And then I used my rat tail comb and just went over the top of the wig just to make sure all the hair is going in the same direction. And then I'm going to take my hot comb again and we're going to see if we can get it flatter up top, because this side isn't as flat and I need it to be. I need this to be flat up top, okay? If you're interested in checking out this wig from AliglossyHair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys and any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, I did a full drugstore makeup tutorial beat. Go check that out next.